Hi, and welcome to Wiki of Quantitative Reasoning. This week in class, we'll continue with Unit 3, and we'll be covering Lesson 8D and 8F. We'll also be starting the Unit 3 mini project, which will build off of Lesson 8F. You'll also need to complete the Unit 3 activity quiz, Lesson 8. Please note that Tuesday and Wednesday are both reading days, and no classes will be held. The college will still be open in case you need to come on campus or have any questions. We'll also be using Lesson 8D spreadsheet, along with these two extra websites that you see down here at the bottom. These will be useful for your preview and practice assignments. You also need to update our spreadsheet from the beginning of the semester. You're going to be updating column M with your information. If you try to log on to this website and you cannot access the spreadsheet, please check that you are logged into your DTCC Google account as well. So again, we see here we will not have class this Tuesday. We will have class on Thursday, and this is where we'll be doing Lesson 8D and 8F, and we'll be looking at the mini project. Please make sure you're staying up to date on your homeworks, which are the previews and practices found in D2L, and you're attending student hours or contacting me with any questions.